So you have the canopy completely surrounding you. Okay, it's gorgeous, beautiful. Just lift up your feet so you're not kicking them because we go through the rest all the way through October. We do want to leave some leaves.
Leave some leaves.
And we also call this one Woodpecker Lake. It's the second name because the woodpeckers have taken over the dead trees. We have like 8 species of woodpeckers, and I'm not going to get into that because that just reveals how much of a nerd I really am. Except if you see those pileated woodpeckers, they have a wingspan of 4 feet across.
They're huge. Prehistoric.
I saw
They're terrifying.
Grandma's. Yeah, it was so cool.
When they fly next to you, it looks rather like a pterodactyl. It's really, honestly, I scream when one flew by me. So, if they do come by, just remember to duck and cover. You got gloves on so you can box if you're
Oh god, that would suck. Woodpecker attack! Like that bluebird. Yeah, like that bluebird.
Blue jay was a dig.
We were the only ones who got that, you know, because these guys are all youngins.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so great!
No, no.
I was like, that's
You
pretty
guys
funny,
are
but they're
still
not
young
laughing.
too.
I'm like,
No,
They don't get it.
So
no.
that mom would swoop down like
You need a
my
woodpecker
buddy like
reference, and
Alex
these guys
literally
don't
got-
know
yeah.
what it was.
They just kind of went,
Tagged it. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
they
they're
called it,
illegal.
they're
Like,
changed the
they
subject. I thought it was hilarious.
So they had to like wait.
all right, well, I guess I'll just get beat up for the next 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's insane. And I love birds.
This isn't my
We
house, so I
have
thought
helmets on.
Cover it, close your eyes.
Oh, you're coming into a stool on the next one. I'd like to sing you a nice finish if you can. Or hang 10.
Alright.
You guys over there? Adios!
Adios, muchachos.
She is upside down on her feet. Do you see that? She's hanging by her feet.
Down over there. No, I didn't see that.
She flipped her feet up and put them on top of her thingamajig.
Such a jerk.
That thing will go.
Dad.
How is that my fault?
What'd you break now?
No,
Devin's doing the whole lean over the edge thing,
He
and
told me I could.
he had some slack in there and went a
I
little
couldn't just get a
bad.
little
warned you that it
loose.
would move. So I mean,
Oh my god.
I fail out. Let's see how that was my problem.
I don't know if she'll go up.
No.
Which way are you going to go? That way.
But that felt cool.
Which way am I going to go? I was going this
Did
way.
you undo it?
Is that okay with you?
I didn't touch anything.
Yeah, we're just going to pull the chains around.
There we go.
Oh, cool.
Look around the tree and over
That was tight
Feels
though.
like
so
it.
how did
I
that-
got a
Can you
boogie.
make that step up a little bit?
Loser.
It wasn't tight.
Wasn't it?
Well, that's
Oh,
not
oh my god.
Something stuck.
She said there's 4 deer in the way. Watch out. No.
Can you repeat that first part?
Marco.
Solo.
Must be a one-way mic.
Okay, well, I heard all clear, so
Okay.
I'm going with all clear.
We'll just disregard the first three quarters of that statement.
How you feeling? I know that.
Okay, safe Molly?
Sure.
Okay.
Do you
I know
feel
what you said all
safe?
clear.
Okay.
I don't know what you said before that.
Okay.
Watch out for
Woodpecker.
Do I just jump out of this?
You can jump right off.
Oh,
Or you
jeez.
can put your hand on top and you can just take a nice step.
Jump.
But I can jump.
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 Not
Right on top of
Just like that.
Yeah, I was going to say, don't
Look
grab
at
the
that,
rope.
she
You're
figured
gonna
it out.
Stop right away. Nice box.
Yeah,
That's a nice bowl.
It's not a rock.
It's a boulder. It's not a rock. It's a boulder. Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for months. That's awesome. I said, oh, that felt awesome. Just stretching out my back. I haven't had an adjustment since I left.
Camel, dance for it.
better about the street platform.
This one's definitely a little bit better.
Right.
A little bit.
I mean, you could like hang and drop off this one if you really
Oh, and it
wanted
wouldn't
to,
even hurt
but-
that bad.
Well,
It's only a
No,
few
like,
feet.
if you
I mean,
can
I've
get
jumped
a
off
decent
higher
amount.
than this, so.
Yeah.
New Tech High School. a little bit higher drop than this. Like when we went down the bridge walk.
Yeah, dude, that was.
I mean,
was a little bit.
Mom didn't hear that. It's not on camera.
That was a little bit edgy.
That gives you a little
A little.
Shut that off real quick.
You know how we were running. I mean, there's a ladder there if we do fall too, so.
You can come right back up.
You come right back up to fall again.
I would step in front of
Right
the
there.
the line kind of angles.
Underneath the box.
There's a painter's ladder down at the bottom of the tree.
Right?
I'm gonna get back up here, but cool. Yeah, right.
That all clear.
You just have to go
Can I
back,
just-
back the line and
Yeah,
check back
tack back
up the
up
line.
it so I can ride down again.
That would be the
I would. That'd be a long trek though. 1,000 feet of trek.
dude,
Oh.
that's-
There you go. That's all you. You can just stick your feet right up.
Yeah,
This one's just short and sweet.
We're good? Yeah.
I don't know.
8,000
We'll
find out.
8,730 meters long.
Yeah.
8,730
Oops, sorry.
No, you did.
That's 77. That's the main drag through here. I know. We're pretty close to it now. It's kind of.
Couldn't hear any cars out there, but then you come over here and it's like, oh, there's a road.
Yeah. Isn't that kind of weird?
Mm.
Oh my god, civilization.
It's up to you. If you want to step down to the front, you can. Or if you want to go up the stool, you can just do that.
Ooh, taco, burrito.
No burrito.
This whole burrito thing making you hungry.
No, I had a burrito before we came here.
Zorbas.
Oh,
Awesome. They have
the
good stuff.
tasting of the burrito every time I burp, it's like,
I wasn't a fan.
They're known for the pizza.
The goodness just keeps on going.
right?
Mm.
I can have
Almost
like
got a pizza.
4 more slices.
All right. It's all you.
That's nice.
Just a little step up. And a step. A little bit of a lift, thank you.
Mhm.
And you okay right there?
Yep.
All right.
No, it's just the orange one.
Love that we can. It must not be really long. I can actually not just hear the laughter, but I can hear the words. I think he
Nice.
knocked the stool over.
Oh, clunk.
It's awesome.
This guy on my last tour, I mean, he came in just hot to every tower. He kicked the one stool like halfway across the
Oh my
thing.
goodness.
And on this one, and I mean, I have never, like, I almost never have to break anyone on this one, so I wasn't too worried about it. And he's coming, and I'm like, okay, break. And he's still coming in hot, and I'm like, I was way down here waiting to catch him, and he
geez.
just, boom, slammed into me. And we both went flying. I'm like,
Oh,
we were fine. I mean, it didn't, but it was like,
Okay.
scary.
a little bit. Yeah, I've never had anybody just smash into me before.
I think she said clear. I maybe
I was
missed
being
it.
loud.
No, you're fine.
Is that the clear?
Yes, Lisa.
Oh,
Zip
whoa.
line 6 is clear.
Yay! Yay!
All right, it's all you. Just pick up your knees if you'd like to.
Did we hear somebody say over there that somebody kicked the stool across the board? We could hear laughter, and then all I heard was something about the stool.
That was me.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that was his dismount.
We love it.
But the pummel horse.
Are you hungry, honey?
Oh, it's burrito and taco talk?
Yeah. Maybe we need to
Yeah,
go to that
maybe
Mexican
the
place.
Mexican.
Yeah. Zorbas?
Poncho and Lefty? Or where?
There's Zorba's up here?
Yeah.
Oh, there is.
We went there before we came.
What if you want to go to Ernie's?
I don't know Ernie's.
I've never been to Ernie's. Zorba's is pretty popular, but it is
I'm not a huge
20
fan of
sums
Zorba's.
go there a lot, so it's very loud.
It was loud.
Yeah.
What did you
They
eat
had
there?
live music playing.
Mexican.
Yeah, it's pizza.
Nice landing.
Pizza and Mexican food.
Their macho nachos are amazing. I really like
Oh,
them.
macho nacho.
Macho.
If you guys want to look at something actually authentic Mexican, El Tequilas in Baxter.
Okay.
Tequila. All clear.
Yeah, we didn't dare eat very much before we came.
No.
We ate light.
We didn't know if it was going to be coming up.
Yep. Well, we went.
Has that ever happened?
I've not had anyone.
Yeah, Lisa said that she has.
Never?
Right, you're not. You're,
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
Lisa.
we're good.
That one.
Yes, Lisa's
Yeah.
that one.
She said that because I asked her when I was about ready to go for my first one. And I thought I was gonna puke actually. And I go, what happens if I puke? She goes, it'll go straight down.
That's true.
We don't gotta worry about it.
That's good news, yeah.
Okay.
This is true.
Nope.
We went to Pirates Cove and we played 18 holes of mini golf.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks fun there, is
It was, yeah, it was
Yeah,
fun.
pretty cool.
Okay.
Yep. And then we hadn't eaten yet today, so we went and ate before we came here. But that was a good hour before, so I figured we'd be all right.
Yeah.
6 is clear.
Is that what that was? She would have got me.
You know.
You can hear him take off.
Hmm.
I wonder what that sounds like. Does it actually come through on the radio if I go?
Maybe.
That might have been what we heard, and she couldn't figure out what you were saying.
I don't know.
Here he comes, here he comes.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
Woo!
Did it.
Yeah, that'd be kind of uncomfortable if you don't really land on that stuff.
Good job. There you go. 6 is clear. I don't know why I've been wanting to say 3 is clear all day. Calling every line 3.
Oh.
At least I catch myself and then it comes out just like constipation in the mouth. What, do I have something again?
Nope.
You said sweat.
All right.
Nice! No break at all.